Hey, I'm Dezy Santiago. I'm a drummer for about 15 years. I love the tuning aspect, the dynamic, and the recording aspect of drumming. I'm in the band Modern Natives. The drumsticks I use from Collision are the 7A. And what I love about these sticks is that they're durable and they're lightweight. That is a match made for me right there. It doesn't get any better than that. What I mostly love about Collision as a brand is Collision works really hard to build a community of musicians that are very friendly and interactive. And that is what music is all about. Building a community and making new friends is what life is all about. What I'm going to play for you today is a Modern Natives original. It was recently featured on a few London radio stations thanks to our friends at Damnation Records. Hope you enjoy our upcoming release. This is Middleman.
Households say their income is falling behind the cost of living. The reality of high rates of inflation, the specter of a recession, making the choice between groceries, gas, clothes, and cars. Better hope I don't get sick. I've got no insurance. Set aside some cash? What cash? I'll just get another credit card, skip lunch, and work until I die.
There's a clot in my brain. A middleman, a citizen, trembling and scared of innovation. There's a rock in my face. I'm fiddling. I can't believe that I jumped in and I'm meant to meet ya. Drown the middle nation.